Hello, doing another review. Let's see. This time, I think I'm gonna do 3 drinks. First one I'm gonna do is Red Bull. I like Red Bull. I think it's pretty good. Hard to say what the taste of Red Bull is. The best description I've heard of it is liquid Flintstone vitamins. Let's see, this says 2% calcium, 100% niacin, 250% B6, 80% B12, 50% pantothenic acid. I think this is supposed to have taurine in it too. Then I don't know if I'm sure most people probably know what it looks like. It's yellowish. I think it's a little citrusy, I'm not sure. Maybe not. Yeah, they put citric acid in it. So. Another review I want to do is Fiji water. I guess for the Red Bull. I want to rate it 4 or 5 stars. I guess I'd give it 4 stars. I don't know. Red Bull is kind of weird tasting, but I don't know. I like the taste of it, so I guess I'll give it 4 stars. Fiji water, artisan water. I'm kind of using this as a palate cleanser too. It's pretty good. You know, I used to think there wasn't any big difference between waters or whatever, but one thing I noticed about Fiji water is like it feels smooth, like on your tongue or like on your lips when you're drinking it. I never really noticed that before, but it's really smooth going up, down, and honestly, I think it might be a little easier to drink than other water. Like, I don't drink just water very often. I'm trying to drink more water, but sometimes I get kind of full if I drink too much water. It seems like I can drink a lot of this without feeling full. And I guess part of water quality is like the minerals in it, which I heard of that. They say mineral water is healthier than, I don't know, like just like distilled water, vaporized water, or whatever. Usually they add minerals if it's drinking water. This has got 93. I want to say milligrams. 93 milligrams a liter. Of silica, 18 milligrams a liter. Calcium, 15 milligrams a liter of magnesium. Its pH 7 is 7.7, 152 milligrams a liter of bicarbonate, total distilled solids, or total, I think that's what it says, 222 milligrams a liter. If I'm reading that right, I'm not sure. If I can get that in focus or not. So, I don't know. I'm going to rate water a little differently. Usually I rate drinks by taste. But for water, since water doesn't really have taste, I guess, whether or not I think the water's quality, I mean, I tend to like my water not to taste like anything. Which I don't think Fiji water really does. There is this sensation when I drink water, and I don't know, it's like I can't tell if I'm tasting something or feeling something. I can't really describe it. I want to say it tastes or feels like kind of metallic, but I don't know if that's metal or electrolytes, or I don't know. It's like a weird sensation when I get on my tongue when I drink water. I don't know. But I feel that a little bit with this, but not too much. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give the Fiji water a 5-star. I don't know, I'm not really a water expert, so I can't really say what quality water is or not, but I really like the smoothness. I like how I can drink a lot of this without feeling full or sick. Like, I never really thought there was a big difference between waters, but now that I'm older and kind of understand people that drink water and can tell the difference, I'd say I like this. It's pretty good. I was gonna do one more drink here, and this is Red Bull Zero with monk fruit. Now, I've had this before, and I was really impressed by it because honestly, it tasted like a lot like the sugar kind. And I like the other diet one, and it tastes very similar to the real thing, but I can still kind of tell the difference. I don't know if I can tell the difference between the real one and this one. So I want to try it out now because this is part of the reason I wanted to do this video, is see if there is a difference, like if I could tell. Excuse me. Okay, I think there is a difference. Really, I should cleanse my palate before I compare the two, but I just kind of want to drink one after another for right now. I think there is a difference. I don't think I need to cleanse my palate either, but go ahead and do so. I think the monk fruit one is actually a little sweeter than the regular Red Bull, which a lot of these artificial sugars are sweeter than regular sugar. You know, do the regular Red Bull. It's sweet, but it's pretty bitter too. Guessing because of the citric acid and maybe some of the other ingredients too. Then we'll do the monk fruit one. And yeah, it's definitely sweeter. Now that I'm comparing the two, I can taste the artificial sugar a little bit. But it's really hard to notice, like, because I think the taste of the rest of the Red Bull itself is so strong, and I think because the artificial sugar is like so sweet, it kind of masks like the artificial taste. Like I couldn't really tell it was there until I compared the two, and even after comparing the two, I can barely taste it. I tasted it for a second. Like I tasted the vitamin, the citric acid and the vitamins or whatever's in it. And I sort of tasted the artificialness for like a second, and then like right after I just tasted like sweetness. And so I don't know. This is pretty good. I like it. So I think I'm gonna give it a 4-star too. So I don't know if I want to give either of these 5-star because I mean I don't know. Red Bull in general is kind of weird tasting, but I like it. It's good. So yeah, Red Bull 4-star, Fiji 5-star, Red Bull monk fruit 4-star. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.